Hi, Madison.
I tried to spread it around. A little here, a little there.
What are you doing? Huh? What you doing? You playing? Really? What? Oh boy. What you gonna do? What are you after, little one? What are you after? You are so silly. Yeah? Yeah? Madison's almost 9 months old. Can't believe it. Madison, what you doing, pretty girl? Oopsie daisies, come this way. Come over here. Here comes Monster. Hi, gorgeous. What? I can get you. Oh, you're gonna get the controller? Are you being silly? I get you. I'm gonna get you. What's that? What is that? Is that the controller? Yay! Give me 5, Madison. Maddie. Maddie. Here, give me 5. Madison, give me 5. Yeah! Give me 5. Whoa. You almost fell on your tushy. Come on, let's go this way. Come with Mama. Come on, let's go. This way. Come on, where are you waving bye-bye? No dogs. Come on, Madison. Maddie, come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Mugen, move. Oh, no, no. You can't have the dog bone. Give it to the dog. Take it, Mugen. Okay, we're gonna put that away. Okay, Madison. Madison. Maddie, can you wave bye-bye? Madison, wave bye-bye. There you go. Good girl. Bye-bye. Maddie. Maddie, wave bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Yeah, wave bye-bye. Okie dokie. Bye-bye, everybody. See you later. You can go get the dogs now.